yun, pinakita lang talaga sa atin. Tapos nag-close na. Kinabalu. Huh? Parang hindi mo makiat-akit, parang sobrang tarik, kailangan mo i-rappel. Yung magawa. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Now boarding the aircraft. Bound for Kinabalu. Right. From Manila, go to Kinabalu can be reached by air in 2 hours.
Bye, thank you. Bye.
Yes, we just arrived. Safe and sound. Touchdown, Kota Kinabalu! Touchdown, Mount Kinabalu National Park. So we went to the visitor center, settled the payments, got a guide, and have our IDs. So guys, from the visitor center, we are driving our way up to Timpohon Gate. So guys, we are now at Timpohon Gate, where we are going to start our hike. Alright guys, so our guide is explaining that our elevation at starting point is 1,800 and we will go up to 3,270 at Labanrata. So from here, that's approximately 6 kilometers and that would take us 6 to 8 hours trekking. So guys, just a reminder, you should be here at Timpohon Gate on or before 10:30 a.m. because they're gonna close the gate by 10:30 and you will no longer be allowed to start or commence your hike.
Not applicable.
So we're done. We're gonna start our trek.
Oh my god, this is so steep. Fucking steep.
Oh no!
Video.
Grabe yung hagdan, no? Lunch at Layang-Layang Shelter. For lunch, we resume our hike to Labanrata. As early as 2:30 p.m., we arrived at Labanrata Rest House. Unfortunately, we got foggy backdrop. But on a clear day, this could be the view from Labanrata, which is around 3,200 meters above sea level.
Good.
Alright guys, we are at Pendant Hut and we are attending the mandatory Avaya Ferrata briefing. So anyone who will take the Avaya Ferrata should be at Pendant Hut before 3 p.m. because no briefing means no Ferrata.
here, cannot go in, you try the other way. But don't push, yeah? If you try here, cannot, don't push, because it will tangle like this.
Alright guys, we're done with our mandatory briefing at Pendant Hut, and we are going back, and I will show you around Laban Rata Rest House where we are going to spend the night. Alright guys, we're at the second floor of Laban Rata Rest House where most of the rooms are located. So each room could accommodate 8 to 10 persons. You'll be assigned with a bunk bed, alright, with blankets and beddings provided. So we are going downstairs to the restaurant, to the buffet restaurant. Alright guys, I'll be showing you around the restaurant here at Laban Rata Rest House, where all meals during your climb will be served here. So each climber is entitled to 3 meals, from dinner on their first day, and for the early breakfast or supper, and lunch for day 2.
Later, day 2.
Good morning. Yes, after our early morning breakfast, we are now ready for the summit. Alright guys, we are now at Saya checkpoint and 50% ID. And as you can see, oh my god, it's 6 degrees Celsius temperature here. How much more at the summit? Good luck to us. Finally, we're here at the summit. It's 4:50 a.m. and we are way too early for the sunrise. Good luck to us. Sobrang lamig dito.
Wow.
Makikita natin muna dito ang tuktok ng Mount Kinabalu. At may mga ilan-ilan na bumababa na. Hindi mawawala ang mandatory group photo. Kung sa tingin nyo dito na magtatapos ng ating adventure sa Mount Kinabalu, nagkakamali kayo dahil ngayon susubukan namin ni Kim, right, ang isa sa highlight dito sa Mount Kinabalu, ang Avaya Ferrata. Let's go!
A strong heart, it's written in the stars. Behind the castle walls, you've hid your light. But when you let the past go, your story unfolds. Look out your window into the night. The darkness can be such a lonely place on your own. I'll be your compass so you'll never feel alone.
The Avaya Ferrata in Mount Kinabalu is the highest Avaya Ferrata in the world. It is also one of the world's highest suspension bridge. It is also the first of its kind in Asia. Wow, I was speechless. That is one of the most amazing and epic activity that I have done so far. Grabe, solid! Terima kasih, Gunung Kinabalu! And that's it for today's video, mga Terkada. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below. Till next time!